Hey guys, this is the Naked Brothers, and we're going upstairs since Mother wants me to go get her some in the oven, some kind of food. And I said she wants me because I just told Andrew to come along with me. So let's go. God, we can't. Stop playing that. This is not one of those mysterious episodes. Okay, what? She totally lied. There's nothing in there. Or, oh, she said it was in the pizza box. No, there's nothing in there. Oh, she means in that oven. Okay. What the heck is this? What could be in here? I don't know what this could be. No, stop. No. Besides, it's a water gun. It's broken. Doesn't work. Yes, okay, we're going. Come on, Andrew. I'll turn off the lights on you. And I know how you're afraid of the dark. I'm just kidding. I don't even know if you're afraid of the dark. Okay, we're gonna get it. Okay.
What's that?
iPod.
Charge?
No, I'm still charging it. I'm still gonna charge it.
What you gonna do?
Oh, I was recording.
What you gonna do?
Nothing, I'm just recording. Where's it going? Come on. And that's an episode of Doing Stuff for Mom. Yay!
This is a kid committing fake suicide.